Howdy doody, y'alls. Hello and welcome back to the Novice Lumberjack, where I got this Husqvarna 55 running. I had to, so this is going to be the March giveaway saw, and I got this for 20 bucks. Whenever I broke into it, it had a bad coil. It got a Chinese coil on there, and it also had a scored up piston and cylinder. I tried to save the cylinder and I couldn't. So this has a brand new Chinese Husqvarna 55 piston and cylinder kit. Cheap one I bought off of eBay. I don't know what the brand name is, but it was like 25 bucks. It was really cheap, maybe 30 bucks, something like that. The whole kit. Now the keepers that came with this were clearly the wrong size. I mean, I could not get them to fit. So my guess is the wrist pin keepers, or the C-clips, whatever you want to call them, they were like for a 12 millimeter pin. And this thing, I believe it requires a 10 millimeter pin. So I had to go through my stash and find something that would work better. But it's went through a few heat cycles, nothing special. I've got it tuned up, I believe, pretty spot on, but if not, well, dang it. We'll see how she runs. I think she's good. Let's see how she cuts. Whoa. Clearly. All right, let me go get my screwdriver. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. So whenever I put it in the wood like that, it completely just fell on its face immediately. That tells me that it is too lean. So we're gonna go right in immediately. Come on, get in there. There we go. We're going to give it a quarter turn on the high side. That is quite an aggressive change. to run away. That's because another air leak probably showed up. Dang it. I went ahead and I replaced the PTO side seal. Didn't think I would need to replace the flywheel crank seal, but it looks like I'm probably going to. As soon as it got good and warm there, we started having some issues. Alright, so clearly I'm going to have to go back in this thing and change out that PTO side seal or something. Dang. Well, we at least got it to run. One more ongoing project. There we go. That was quick and easy. Flywheel popped right off of there, and switched out that crank seal on the flywheel side. Let's see if that did the business. It did not. Maybe it's just running out of fuel. Ah! Oh my gosh! Well, it's got double crank seals, brand new in it. It's just slap out of fuel. Ah! All fueled up. The heck? That wasn't even a full quarter of a turn on the high jet, and it made it do that. where she likes to be. That's spinning up to 13,300 RPMs. I think we'll call it good right there. That was spinning at about 9,900 RPMs in the cut, 9,800. I know it's soft poplar, but that's also an extremely aggressive chain. So it's pulling pretty darn good. I think that what you can expect to see, because I'm not doing the giveaway just yet, I think I'll test this against my stocker and see how that goes, and compare the two, and then do the giveaway. But stay tuned if you want to win a completely rebuilt Husqvarna 55. Remember, it has, is it going to do it? Yeah, there we go. It needs those bushings, both sides, replaced. I don't have them, so, and I'm not going to wait to order them and let them come in and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll go grab my stock one needs, I put the sprocket, the rim sprocket on this one because I feel like, this thing came with a 3/8 chain setup, and I know that they'll pull it. I know, but I think they pull a 325 better. So I like running a 325 on it, so I set it up with the 325. But I've got to go get, I'm all out of 325 sprockets, so I got to go get some more of those. But then I'll do some test cuts, compare it to my complete stocker, and see how it cuts. But that's all for this video, and I hope you liked it. Oh, I forgot to mention, it is actually a, it's running no base gasket. Without the base gasket, I had 32 thousandths of an inch on the squish. We call it good.